Welcome to Harbin, China, a city where frozen fairy tales meet rich cultural warmth. Often called China's Ice City, Harbin transforms winter into pure magic. Snow-covered streets, glowing ice palaces, European architecture, and comforting northern cuisine make this destination unlike anywhere else in Asia. From world-famous ice festivals to cozy street food stalls steaming in sub-zero temperatures, Harbin delivers experiences you won't find anywhere else. In today's video, we're counting down 9 unforgettable things to do in Harbin. And trust us, the best experiences come later. So pour yourself something warm, bundle up tight, and let's step into one of the most extraordinary winter cities on Earth. 9. St. Sophia Cathedral. Built in 1907 by Russian settlers, this majestic structure is a stunning example of Neo-Byzantine architecture and a powerful reminder of Harbin's multicultural past. Its towering green domes and red brick exterior are especially breathtaking in winter when fresh snow blankets the square. Step inside and you'll find a museum dedicated to Harbin's architectural evolution, where soaring ceilings and arched windows create a calm, almost spiritual atmosphere. Although it no longer functions as a church, St. Sophia Cathedral remains one of Harbin's most beloved symbols. Whether you're into photography, history, or architecture, this is an essential stop. Don't miss the lively square outside filled with local vendors and everyday city life. 8. Harbin Ice and Snow World. This is the experience Harbin is famous for worldwide. Harbin Ice and Snow World is not just a festival. It's a frozen city built entirely from ice. Every winter, massive blocks of ice harvested from the Songhua River are transformed into towering castles, temples, bridges, and sculptures, all glowing with colorful LED lights. The scale is mind-blowing, covering over 600,000 square meters. Beyond the visuals, visitors can slide down giant ice slides, walk through full-size ice buildings, and enjoy cultural performances throughout the park. Temperatures can plunge to minus 30 degrees Celsius, but the atmosphere is electric. This is winter magic at its absolute peak, and one of the most unforgettable attractions in all of China. 7. Zhongyang Street, Central Street. Zhongyang Street is the cultural heartbeat of Harbin. Stretching over 1 kilometer, this pedestrian-only boulevard feels like stepping into Europe, right in northern China. Originally built in 1898, the street showcases a stunning mix of Baroque, Renaissance, and Art Nouveau architecture. But Zhongyang Street isn't just about buildings. It's a feast for the senses. You'll find Russian-style bakeries, local dumpling shops, candied fruit skewers, grilled meats, and endless winter snacks perfect for staying warm. In winter, ice sculptures and festive lights turn the street into a glowing wonderland. Day or night, Zhongyang Street is the perfect place to wander, eat, shop, and soak up Harbin's unique atmosphere. 6. China's snow town, Xuexiang. Straight out of a storybook, China's snow town is one of the most magical winter villages in Asia. Located about 280 kilometers from Harbin, this remote village is famous for its unbelievably thick, powdery snow and fairy tale scenery. Traditional wooden houses are buried under layers of snow so deep they resemble fluffy clouds. During the day, you can explore the village, ride horse-drawn sleds, or hike through snow-covered forests. At night, red lanterns light up the streets, smoke rises from chimneys, and the entire town glows with warmth. Add local dishes like hot pot and roasted sweet potatoes, and the experience feels almost unreal. China's snow town is perfect for photographers, couples, and anyone chasing winter magic. 5. Huawei 3D Billboard Harbin isn't only about history and snow, it also embraces cutting-edge innovation. The Huawei 3D billboard has become one of the city's most talked about modern attractions. Located in a busy commercial district, this massive screen creates hyper-realistic 3D illusions that appear to leap out into the street. From futuristic tech scenes to dynamic nature visuals, the effect is jaw-dropping. It's quickly become a viral hotspot where locals and travelers gather to capture photos and videos. Whether you love technology or simply enjoy mind-bending visuals, this stop adds a modern twist to your Harbin journey. 4. Harbin Street Portrait Artists. Among Harbin's icy streets, you'll discover a surprisingly warm, artistic scene. Talented street portrait artists set up across popular areas like Zhongyang Street, sketching passersby with incredible skill. From fast, expressive drawings to detailed charcoal portraits, watching these artists' work is mesmerizing. Getting a portrait done isn't just a souvenir, it's a personal memory captured by hand. Even if you don't sit for a drawing, stopping to watch adds another layer of culture and creativity to your experience in Harbin. 3. Harbin street food scene. Cold weather calls for bold flavors, and Harbin delivers. The city's street food culture is rich, hearty, and unforgettable. One must-try favorite is chuaner, lamb skewers grilled over open flames and seasoned with cumin and chili. Another winter classic is tanghulu, glossy candied fruit skewers that crunch with every bite. Harbin's Russian influence also shines through in baked goods, sausages, and hearty dumplings, perfect for warming up after hours in the cold. Eating here isn't just about food, it's about experiencing Harbin's soul, one bite at a time. 2. Sun Island. Sitting peacefully along the Songhua River, Sun Island is a natural escape that transforms completely in winter. During the International Snow Sculpture Art Expo, the island fills with massive, intricately carved snow masterpieces. These sculptures combine art, engineering, and imagination on a grand scale. Beyond that, visitors can enjoy sledding, ice skating, scenic walks, or warming up in nearby cafes and cultural spaces. Sun Island perfectly blends nature, creativity, and relaxation, making it a must-visit during your Harbin adventure. 1. Yabuli Ski Resort. Taking the top spot is Yabuli Ski Resort, China's largest and most famous ski destination. Located about 200 kilometers from Harbin, this winter playground offers world-class slopes and breathtaking mountain scenery. With over 20 ski trails for all skill levels, Yabuli is ideal for beginners and seasoned skiers alike. Modern facilities, luxury lodges, cozy restaurants, and rental shops make the experience smooth and enjoyable. Even non-skiers will love snow tubing, mountain slides, winter hiking, and panoramic alpine views. Yabuli perfectly balances adrenaline and relaxation, making it the ultimate finale to your Harbin journey. Final thoughts. Harbin is more than just cold weather. It's a city of imagination, history, culture, and unforgettable winter beauty. From glowing ice palaces and snowy villages to rich food and creative streets, Harbin offers something truly special for every traveler. If this guide inspired your trip or helped you plan your adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you'd love to travel with. Thanks for watching, stay warm, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next video.